Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a half cut crease on hooded eyes with the Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star. You can of course use any other palette that you have at home. Before we start, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And now let's start with the tutorial. I'm starting by taking the flat side of a makeup sponge with some translucent powder and I'm pressing it onto my under eye area to prevent it from fallout. You can of course do your eye makeup first and your face makeup later, then you don't have to worry about fallout. I have already primed my eyes with some concealer and I have set it with translucent powder. The first shadow I'm going in with is the dark blue color called Undertaker, and I'm using a small detailed brush. This one is the Morphe E36. When you don't have a lot of lid space, like myself, it is essential to know where to place your shadow. The most important step is to sketch out where you want to place the color when your eyes open. Look straight into a mirror and see where your crease is. Make sure that you leave a little space between the crease and the dark color for the glitter shadow we're going to apply later. Then make a dot and start to apply the color. Always make sure that you check with your eye open if the placement of the shadow is like you want it. I'm also bringing the color down on my lower lash line. Next I'm taking the Morphe M 506 and the color I'm Cold, it's a light blue color, and I'm starting to blend out the darker blue. I'm using small motions and I'm really taking my time to blend this color out. Now we are finally going to cut the crease. I'm taking a small concealer brush. This one is the Morphe M 421. There is a little trick, you may have heard of it before. You apply a bit of concealer to your upper lash line and then you look up, and now you know where your perfect cut crease should be. I'm applying the concealer all the way to the inner corner and I stop about at 2/3 of my lid. You want to have a bit of room for blending between the darker color and the color on your lid. At the inner corner, I leave some space open for the inner corner highlight we're going to apply a bit later. Now comes the fun part. I'm taking my Sigma E58 and the color Untitled, and I'm wetting my brush with some setting spray. Then I'm packing this color onto my lid everywhere we applied the concealer. I love this color so much. I am in general so drawn to blue and teal colors. Now I want to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm taking the color Cullinan on a Morphe M 213 brush and I'm applying it to my inner corner and to my brow bone. You can see how the inner corner highlight brings everything together. Now I'm taking the Morphe E36 we used before and some more of the dark blue color, and I'm starting to blend over the edges and to deepen up the outer corner. Then I'm going in with the Morphe M 506 brush and I'm blending one more time over all the edges. I'm gently blending over the edges of the cut crease with almost no pressure. Now I'm taking a powder brush and I'm brushing away the translucent powder. I'm cleaning up this line here with some more translucent powder. Now I'm applying some mascara to my upper and my lower lashes. Now this is our finished half cut crease. You can definitely be wearing false lashes with this look if you want to. I rarely wear them, so I'm leaving it at this. I really do love this color combination so much. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to give it a like and comment down below. Tell me if there are some other techniques you want an in-depth tutorial about. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.